Hi, Tashi Delek. I'm Jemima, Digital Campaigner with Australia Tibet Council. Australia Tibet Council has made special gift packs that can be given as a present with a difference that makes a difference, or kept for yourself to enjoy with the knowledge that you are supporting campaigns for the freedoms of Tibetans. Each gift pack includes a beautiful bag with a yak design that was specially created by a Tibetan graphic artist. The bags are super versatile, perfect for a trip to the beach, going on a picnic, or getting the groceries. The bags are made from jute, a sustainable and strong material. Inside the bag is a limited edition album produced by Australia Tibet Council entitled Tibetan Dreaming Sounds of Freedom. It includes songs by 9 Tibetan artists spanning across 4 continents. While each song tells its own unique story, the album has a traditional folk-style feeling that inspires appreciation for the culture and courage of Tibetans. The gift pack also includes a set of 10 greeting cards with artwork by Tibetan artists, as well as stunning photographs that celebrate Tibet. The cards are printed on 100% recycled paper, come with their own recycled envelopes and a blank inside, ready for your unique messages. Each gift pack is $60 plus $10 for postage in Australia. For all the details, visit www.atc.org.au.